Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Greek cuisine to uncover the hidden secrets of the beloved Greek pita bread. Trust me, there's more to this delightful bread than meets the eye. So, let's get started. Pita bread has been around for centuries. It can be traced back to ancient Greece, where it was a staple food. It's a true piece of culinary history. Greek pita comes in various forms and flavors. You can find whole wheat, white, and even gluten-free options. No matter your dietary preference, there's a pita for you. Making authentic Greek pita is an art. It's all about the skillful technique of stretching the dough, creating those iconic air pockets. The result? Soft, fluffy, and delicious pita bread. Pita's versatility is a hidden gem. You can stuff it with gyro, souvlaki, falafel, or fresh veggies, turning it into a delicious sandwich. It's the perfect vessel for countless mouth-watering fillings. Olive oil is the secret ingredient that gives Greek pita its distinct flavor and aroma. It's the quintessential Mediterranean touch that elevates the taste. Greek pita is a perfect companion to the myriad of delectable dips like tzatziki, hummus, and tiramisu. Learning how to dip like a pro is a must. Pita bread is not just food. It's a symbol of Greek hospitality and warmth. Sharing pita bread with friends and family is at the core of Greek culture. Greek pita bread is often used to celebrate special occasions. During events like weddings, baptisms, and holidays, pita bread plays a significant role. While savory pita is more well-known, there's also a sweet side to Greek pita bread. Sweet pita, often referred to as glykia pita, is filled with delicious mixtures of honey, cinnamon, nuts, and even fruits. It's a delightful dessert that satisfies your sweet cravings. On New Year's Day or other significant moments, a coin or a special charm is hidden within the dough of a pita. Making perfect pita bread involves a unique skill known as pita twirling. Skilled bakers can twirl the dough in the air, creating that iconic round shape and even distribution of air pockets. It's a captivating art form that takes years to master. Just as Greece has diverse regions, there are regional variations of pita bread. For instance, in Thessaloniki, you'll find koulouri, a round pita bread with sesame seeds. Exploring these regional varieties can be a delightful culinary adventure. The process of baking pita bread is unique. It's typically baked in a stone or brick oven, which retains heat efficiently and imparts a distinctive flavor and texture to the bread. Greek pita bread isn't just delicious. It's also relatively healthy. It's typically lower in calories and fat compared to many other types of bread, making it a favorable choice for those who want to enjoy a tasty yet balanced diet. Greek pita bread isn't exclusive to Greece. It's enjoyed in many countries worldwide, often with unique regional variations. You'll find it in the Middle East, Turkey, and even in the United States, where it's commonly used in dishes like gyros and shawarma. In some remote Greek villages, traditional clay ovens are still used to bake pita bread. The intense heat and unique cooking method in these ovens create an unmistakable taste and texture that can't be replicated in modern kitchen appliances. Making pita bread at home is a cherished tradition in many Greek households. It's not only about the final product but also the process itself, which brings families together in the kitchen. It's a symbol of culture and culinary craftsmanship. Some Greek bakers take the art of pita bread to a whole new level. They create intricate designs on the surface of pita loaves, making them not only delicious but also visually stunning. It has a fascinating link to the ancient Greek games, including the Olympics. In the past, athletes were provided with pita bread and cheese for sustenance. It served as an early form of an energy bar for the competitors. Pita bread is typically low in fat, especially when compared to some other types of bread. It can be a healthier choice for those looking to reduce their fat intake. Pita bread is an excellent source of complex carbohydrates. These carbohydrates provide a steady release of energy, making pita bread a great choice for sustained energy throughout the day. Thanks for joining us on this journey of discovery, and we'll see you in the next video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe.